What is non-judicial foreclosure? Have you ever wondered how some lenders can take back a property without going through the court system? This process is known as non-judicial foreclosure, and it is used in certain states. In these states, lenders can foreclose on a property more quickly and at a lower cost than through judicial foreclosure, which involves lengthy legal proceedings. In non-judicial foreclosure states, the right to foreclose is typically granted through a deed of trust. This deed includes a power of sale clause. This clause allows a third-party trustee to sell the property if the borrower fails to make their mortgage payments. So, what are the key components of non-judicial foreclosure? First, when a borrower takes out a mortgage in a non-judicial foreclosure state, they usually sign a deed of trust. This document gives the trustee the authority to sell the property if the borrower defaults on the loan. Next comes the notice and waiting period. Before the foreclosure sale, the borrower typically receives a notice of default and a notice of sale. The timing and requirements for these notices can vary by state. It is essential for homeowners to pay attention to these notices, as they indicate that action is needed to avoid losing the property. When the time for the foreclosure sale arrives, the property is sold at a public auction, usually conducted by the trustee. If no bids meet the minimum required amount, often the lender's credit bid, the property is sold back to the lender. This means it becomes a bank-owned property. Not every state allows non-judicial foreclosures. The states that do have specific laws governing how the process is conducted. These laws include the notice period and the sale process, which can differ significantly from one state to another. For real estate investors, understanding non-judicial foreclosure is important. It can impact how quickly and cost-effectively they can acquire properties. Investors can take advantage of these foreclosures by purchasing properties at auctions or buying them directly from lenders after they become bank-owned. However, it is crucial to pay close attention to state laws and the specific terms of the foreclosure process. For homeowners facing foreclosure, knowing their rights is essential. In non-judicial foreclosure states, homeowners may have limited time to respond to notices and must act quickly to avoid losing their property. Familiarizing themselves with the specific laws in their state can help them navigate the process more effectively. For real estate investors, being aware of homeowner rights can inform their strategies for acquiring properties in a fair and legal manner. Understanding non-judicial foreclosure can open up opportunities for both homeowners and investors alike.